website name acquired some domain name, and that domain name is fetched from the domain name server. So one of the type of attack is the DNS cache poisoning attacks. Is that suppose we send a request to DNS to resolve a domain name. During that he is solving domain name, we are sending other request. Same time what is doing, he is now trying to solve the second name. After that, before he is resolving the domain name, we are again sending a third name. So like that your DNS will be busy forever. So this type of attack happens most of the time, and it is the one of the type of, or you may say that it is the second type of availability of internet facing resources. A final example of problem associated with this third factor is the denial of service and distributed denial of service attack. This type of attack maybe happens on the cloud. What is the denial of service attack? Denial of service attack means you are sending a server a request, and at a time you are sending lots of requests, and those requests is accumulated on the server, and your server get hanged, your firewall get hanged, and now you breach the firewall and bypass the security. So denial of service attack means sending many services so that the server get busy in solving those requests. It is same like that your PC get hanged. Somehow it can be managed by finding the or limiting number of requests from any single source. So alternate of that is distributed denial of service. Distributed denial of service means the request comes from the different hosts or many number of hosts, or you can say that it comes from the botnets. What's the botnet? Botnet are the vulnerable PC which hackers usually hack, and they accumulate botnet for 6 months, 7 months, and they accumulate large number of PCs. Those are vulnerable. But even you will be amazed that those botnets is in the market for the sale as well. So mainly those botnet are used for the distributed denial of service attack. Means the attack is targeted from different PCs, different botnets. So here is the problem of availability of internet facing resources, is that someone may target the distributed denial of service attack or DOS attack. So your resources are vulnerable on network, so these attack day by day increasing. For example, there is a continue to be rumors of continued DDoS attack on Amazon Web Service, making the service unable for the hours at a time to the AWS users. Amazon has not acknowledged that service interruption are in fact due to DDoS attack. It is a rumor that sometime the Amazon service stopped for 1 hour, and it is only rumor and it is cannot be claimed, and in fact it may be due to distributed denial of service. Replacing the established model of network zone and TS with the domain. what is the previous model for the security or traditional network, which is not the cloud? Your network divided in the zone and tier, and certain participant can work or confined to certain zones, and zones will be divided into the tiers. So they are confined to certain boundaries. So with the help of zones and tiers in conventional network, the security get accomplished at the network layer. But as you know that your cloud cannot be divided into the network zone and tiers, because it may have the virtualization, or they are working on the same server. So alternate is that